horseshoe,
Yeah. But you know
four leaf.
what I liked about the Paris coach, né? The coach loved his fans, man. He appreciated his fans, you know. Unlike Scott Mapuma.
Bro, that was on my mind, bro. That was on my mind. Bro,
What's up, everybody? It's your boy, the biggest, baddest Tiger Bombian, and I'm here with...
Hey, yo, what's up, ladies? It's your man, Master CG Play. You know what it is.
And welcome to 034 Issues. Ladies.
Yeah, it's crazy, man. I'm switching it up. You feel me?
I'm trying something new now.
I'm trying some new ish. You
Trying
know?
new,
I'm trying to appeal to a certain audience. You feel me?
certain demographic.
You get me?
Yes, brother. Yes, brother. You know, we have to use that English, that one that will confuse some of the people, you see. Yeah,
But it is
man.
what it is, bro. I miss this, bro.
Oh,
I'm
a
not gonna
conversation with me and you.
Yes.
Yeah, man. I mean, we're...
Most definitely. I mean, like, just, chilling, chopping it. You feel me? It's like, it's been a minute.
Yeah, it's been a minute,
I don't
man.
want to lie.
Since it's been a minute, do you see anything different? Like, nah, I'm talking about me. Like, I mean, like, can you see any...
Oh, ladies and gents, my boy got them glasses on now, my niggas. Look at, bro.
Nah, the thing is,
Let us know in the comment section how he actually looks from that side, though.
the thing is making it sound so cool. Like,
Yeah.
oh yeah, he got them shades. But first, angisaboni.
Hey, apparently.
Yeah, angisaboni.
Apparently, yeah.
Ngiyaphetha manje. Yabona umuntu masefunda semele...
Yeah.
Nah, I'm joking. It's not that bad, but I can still see.
Yeah.
You know, like I can still see you feel me?
But how do you feel in them, though?
How am I feeling?
Yeah.
It took a while to adjust.
Yeah, to
Like,
adapt, yeah.
It's like a new size.
Yeah.
You see, the problem is, when I went to the
Optimist or whatever.
Yeah, optimistic
Yeah,
doctor.
something along those lines,
Yes,
ladies and
sir.
gents.
Yeah.
Something along, yes.
When I went there, I thought it was so my eyes are okay. I just like too much screen time and stuff.
Yeah.
So masing via mvezu ngiyobhela phana ungitshengisa enye i-chart yabo.
Yeah.
So there's a chart la far that I'm supposed to look at, you.
Yeah.
It's not a chart, it's a screen.
All for
yabo.
examination, right?
Yeah, for examination
Yeah.
on the eyes. So
Exactly.
okay, me with my naked eyes, she tells me, she asked me, what I don't know, what can you see or what number is that? Now I thought she hasn't adjusted the screen.
Yeah.
It was blur. I was like, what number?
But there's nothing.
Because I thought she has to go and like, fix it, and then I must see. And then I couldn't see anything.
Couldn't see
And then she put, different lenses and stuff, and I saw perfectly, bro. It was like, so that's how far it looks. Because I don't know, they say I'm far-sighted, so I can see. You see, like if man keep, I can see what's close to me, close proximity. Yeah, but when it's far, I can still see it. But now you are a silhouette now. That's why people come to me like, NPN, you, because you're doing the podcast now. I try and greet you from afar.
Yeah, you see now you.
Because I cannot see you.
Yeah.
I cannot see you. What must I do?
So this probably means like, if you can see like a girl from a distance, you're just unable to just judge or say anything about her.
I don't judge, dog.
Yeah, you just have to.
That's why I don't even look at girls. I don't even look at girls.
Ladies and gents.
I don't even look at girls, dog. I'm telling you, man.
Yeah, man.
How can I look at girls when I cannot see?
Ladies and gents, I hope you're seeing this. Comment below if you're seeing this.
Man,
but yeah, man, it is what it is.
But yeah, man, you got a white durag on, so yeah.
Just some cool shit.
Is it white or silver?
Yeah? White or silver?
Yeah.
Oh. Kana he cannot see anymore. So I have to explain.
Damn.
So Don't take it personal, bro. Yeah, not too deep, but yeah, it's a bit white, it's a bit grayish, you know.
Yeah, China.
Same old me, you feel me? I got the tea on.
Yeah.
Ladies and gents, let's operate if you want some. Yeah, make sure that you DM us, you know what it is.
Man, for a cheap price of a few dollars.
Okay.
Cheap price.
Okay, we in South Africa, man.
Yeah, but as a Swiss America,
oh, man.
We are trying to support South Africa.
You see this guy?
Because we are trying to support South African businesses, but like, so you need you, you. Man, we're like, you know what? So we're communicating with the international.
Yeah, bro.
You feel me?
Tell them, bro. Tell them.
Ever since I wore these glasses, you know.
Yeah, bro.
And now I can comprehend the situation, you
yes,
know.
My brother.
Of the circumstance, you know, of the political, you know, factor of this.
The political aspect of
this, you know, is, can you articulate yourself as well as I can do? Okay, now I'm joking.
Yes, my brother.
Hey, man.
That's my brother for a minute. Yeah.
Let's get into the
Let's
show.
Let's get into it, ladies and gentlemen. No, we're excited. I mean, the last episode, but the first episode of the 034 games.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Well received,
man. I like the engagement. I really like, you know, especially it makes me happy if people just start commenting, you feel me?
Yeah,
and
man,
just to see those comments like positive as well, just, you know, brings that up, you know, even if it's you know,
even if
5 to 10 comments, you know, it's still something. You feel me? It's still something.
And also, I even got like some positive criticism.
As well?
What you call constructive criticism.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, you guys you can do this better and stuff. But it was great. I love that, you know. Because obviously it's because I mean at the end of the day this is for the people and stuff.
For the people, by the people.
Yeah, boy.
Newcastle #1.
Yes, sir.
Let's do it.
No, best podcast in Newcastle, man. We don't even have to say it now.
Yeah.
Now because everyone can see. Yeah, boy.
Yeah. I cannot help but feel like Black Marco came with an agenda there. You feel me?
I hope
he was after that billion. So man.
Yeah, subscribe first too, and so we can have another billion. So
yes,
the next
ladies and gentlemen, don't forget.
Yes, sir.
You know, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do it for me. I'm talking to the ladies. I'm talking to the ladies right now. So let's
why
do it,
only ladies?
Huh? Why only ladies? I don't know, man. I feel like you know, since I haven't been, you know, tapped in with my music, you know, and stuff like that. I feel like even my music.
I'm trying
to make you. I'm trying to listen here, my gentle brother. I am trying to find a way, you know, just to explain, you know, to you, my brother. You see, so that you can see, my brother. So that you can see.
We're gonna have a lot of C jokes.
So yeah, that's the thing. Like, I feel like, you know, I've been doing music for the vibes. You know, people who actually like tapped in with what I do. You know what I put out. It's usually bros. You feel me? So this is the list I could do. You feel me?
Okay.
I'm trying to get, you know, to the
demographic.
To the demographic. You know, females. You feel
me?
I'm trying to cater.
Else,
yes, I'm trying to cater to all right now.
Right.
Yeah. What?
Demographic of females 18
plus, yes.
18 plus.
Bro.
We have to like make that one.
For everybody.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Angeke mina ngimele fese ukubona baqhaphaza la what a minor.
Hush, got a minor.
Hush, got a minor. Looking like a minor. Bro, yay.
Bro, talk to me, bro.
Man. But yeah, man, I think the game show for the first of its kind, it did pretty well. We had like I'm speaking for the people that I'm Kulum as about the person that was part of it.
Yeah.
I feel like me watching it. Yeah, but there's one thing making it and watching it.
And watching it as well.
I enjoyed watching it too. I really didn't enjoy making it. There was a lot.
Yeah.
But watching it, man, it was 18 minutes easily digestible.
Yes.
And
definitely.
Everyone there is a vibe. There's no one is boring there and stuff. To you and different personalities and stuff.
Well, yeah.
So I feel like for that for that, because we're testing waters with that thing, spoon how people going to react. But you know what? What do you feel about that? Like,
I also feel like it was good. For the most part, I like it when it's things is just well received. You feel me? In a way, the graphics. You understand me? Even the analytics as well. Even the analytics as well. In a way, I feel like it's the episode is just being received a bit fast. I don't know. I like the
the
the rapidness. It's like some people are really tapped in, bro. I just love you guys, especially the ladies. I just love you guys for I don't know why the camera man is laughing, but anyways, that's what I'm just saying. Like, I just appreciate the love. It's coming straight from me to the demographic we spoke about. Yeah,
that's nice, yo.
Yeah.
So yeah, man. Well received. Loved it. We might see more of that thing.
Yeah, as well. Yeah. Big shout out.
Ending ifisayo, yabo. Ukuthi we take it to a bigger stage, yabo. It's nice making it in like in like an intimate environment, yabo. But we can make it bigger and better, yabo. Because I think our personalities could handle that. Yeah,
most definitely.
Yeah, man. And
would you say we are not a boring podcast?
Never. Never. You know who said that? Never.
Who said that? Who said that?
Who
said that?
Ukhune.
Damn.
Ukhune aqeda ukuvula ipenalty. Yeah, elangena lapha langena.
How?
Langena penalty. I think walibambe uline and then it was like never. And Genanga, never.
Yeah.
Speaking about Ukhune and the Chiefs. Hey man.
Hey, big shout out to the people. I'm just so glad people haven't, not depressed. I'm happy. I had to check on my homeboy because he favors the Pirates.
Yeah,
the Buccaneers. You feel me? The Buccaneers. So I had to check out. I had to check on him for real. I was worried as hell.
What response did I give you? I give you a chill response.
She's like, Yeah. But anyway,
because at the end of the day, it was nice also seeing our neighbors getting something after 10 years. It's like, why not?
Yeah.
Well, exactly, like 10 years later. Yeah. It's like a nice movie. Like, since 2015, we've been struggling.
Damn.
10 years later.
Damn.
10 years later.
You see, he's throwing shots now. He's throwing shots.
No, I'm not even throwing shots. Honestly, I was not as mad. You see, one thing I can tell that still that hurts me. It was the pyramid scheme. Then the one that we lost in Egypt. That one, that one, I haven't healed. Boy.
Yeah. A lot of people cried.
I haven't healed because I thought I was gonna go to the stadium. Hey.
No, man. Such things happen.
Oh, fist on my head. But yeah, man, Kaizer Chiefs finally broke the curse. And man, you can consider yourself a Kaizer Chiefs supporter, yes or no?
Well, I was. You feel me? The thing is, I don't want people to, to have a perspective or whatever perception about me, in my support. You feel me? What you say now, my brother? What you say?
Did you take that decision by yourself?
Yeah. I had to do a lot of self-introspection because I'm a self-sufficient type of person. You feel me? Yeah. I was supporting. Listen to me, bro.
Yeah.
Listen to me. Listen clearly. Listen clearly. So the thing is, I realized, as...
cool. Yeah. But to be honest, it's not like you're the only person, I'm Chiefs. Like Venom Raps, my bad dog. Hey, my bad man. Hey. But 10 we need to turf, so it's never.
So the thing is,
Venom Raps is a lala vuga or hazy.
Oh yeah, Venom Raps who favors Inangzan. Yeah, Kaizer Chiefs.
Why see Venom Raps favor United foot? Hey. Siyafana kodwa phela United kodwa yabo. So like, hey man, the noise that I heard when the final whistle Yeah, isikhathi bakushaya mpempe leya.
Yeah, it
The
is.
noise that I heard.
Yeah.
Aze ngizostradini mina mfethu umsindo
How?
Chizi zidlala boy. Ngikwazi ngizolwa umsindo leya.
Yeah.
Kaze boy. And the truth is, yabo, as much as I'm a Pirates fan,
Yeah.
I understand the Chiefs has a lot of supporters.
Yeah, and stuff like that.
Take Pirates fans and Sundowns fans combined. Even them combined, angeke badlule Chiefs.
Oh yeah.
Boy,
Shout out to Amakosi for that.
the noise engizwe la boy. That's why I said I couldn't be mad, yabo, because it's like here in sports is about what, bringing people together.
Yeah, uniting people. Yeah.
So I feel like you'd be a serial killer if you were like angry he just won. Yes, as a rivalry, it was.
Yeah.
But I mean, we beat them in the past 4 games, so.
Yeah. That just taps into my points. You feel me? I did a lot of introspection as well, having to think that you know, as fans, we sometimes. Nah, I'm not gonna put myself in that equation. No, I'm a nice person. I'm
tribalistic.
So I'm gonna put it on people in general. You know how people get crazy over football, bro?
Yeah, it's okay though. I feel like it's okay.
Yeah, it is okay. You feel me? To some extent, some people even fight other.
No, that's where I draw the line.
Yes, you see. So I was like, I'm a type of person who actually likes to see things from outside the box.
Yeah.
If a situation is just so overwhelming, I just decide to look at it. From yeah. So then I'm like, no. You see, if now this football energy. So this football energy and all of this, if it can make people, spiral like that, in a way I have to,
Yeah,
for real. I'm that type of person, bro.
Yeah. No, it's okay.
Hey. Yeah.
It's okay to be passionate about football.
For real.
And also, it's also, you have to understand the rivalry.
Yeah.
I think some people don't understand the rivalry. But so rivalry doesn't mean we see me and you. When we meet, it's up.
It's going down.
It's up and it's dark.
When you say it's up, he's saying it's going down.
Yeah.
It's up now. It's up.
It's going down.
It's going down.
So
crazy, bro.
In South Africa, I think the football mentality in South Africa is so healthy. Yeah, bro. In the stadiums, dog, you're gonna find a Pirates fan, Sundowns fan, a Chiefs fan. In the same, not even in the same stadium, in the same seats, like row. Yeah, bro. We all tears
Yo, I like that. Even in my relationships as well, you will find out there's in a relationship there's somebody who favors Pirates,
exactly,
and somebody who favors Chiefs, and it's all about who's gonna eat someone. In the matches in the stadium. Who wins? That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, when in South Africa, I think culture is healthy,
Yeah,
because in other places that doesn't happen, dog. You will never find a Zamalek and an Ali fan on the same row. Boy. It will never happen, dog. They will kill each other. Those people.
Over this, what was it? Is it the CAF? The CAF. That's where I actually got to see how things can just be blown out of proportion as well. And I'm like, no, we can't go crazy like this.
But which is also a crazy thing.
Not take it that deep.
Yeah, sorry to cut you off.
Yeah.
It's crazy because it was the first that ever happened in South Africa. We don't do that shit.
Yeah.
So, hey, now I'm going to sound a bit xenophobic. I'm not xenophobic, yo. Yeah, boy. That's the last
Ladies,
thing
and just take notes there.
So, I mean, the North African teams who were playing here, and when Al Ahly is the best team, the biggest team in Africa. I'm a fan Zabo. They actually respect South Africans a lot because they also had a South African coach.
The South African coach. Shout out to him. Pizzo.
And they also had Upesi Tau. So they respect, South African culture and stuff.
It's mutual.
Then you had like the Experience fans from Tunisia. Then you come that one almost died. The nigga was hanging with his life.
Bro, I was thinking about all of those.
It's South Africa.
Bro.
So it's that thing, they took rivalry too much. Egbeni, angeke futhi ufeel about now Sundowns fans started that. I'm not a Sundowns supporter, but I know I would never say Sundowns fans started that. Because it's not in our DNA. You never heard Sundowns fan beating AmaZulu fans here. You never heard that. So these people were starting to vandalize stuff, and then it escalated. Same thing when Pirates was playing MC Alger from Algeria. After the whistle blew, no, the fans didn't do anything here. The crazy thing is they were fighting amongst each other. South Africa no Algeria no South Africa nodwa.
Bro.
So they were got to shine ne? How? All of a sudden manje those players abasafuna ukudliwa. Abafuna ukudliwa baba ngeke.
Impossible.
Ngeke sidliwa South Africans.
It's not gonna happen.
It's not gonna happen. It already happened, bro.
Hey, bro.
Now they were fighting my staff members but now hitting Pirates staff members. Now there was these things that want to sing my bands happening and stuff. It's not in our DNA. We don't do this stuff, yeah, bro. It's no, this sounds like I'm talking about it happens in Africa.
Yeah.
You go to Russia.
Yeah, even overseas, bro.
You go to
they be fighting,
English,
bro. Like
Premier League.
You have to leave space for disappointment, bro.
Yeah.
I mean, like bros cannot take it in. Pause.
No, Jimmy.
Pause. What the? Okay, so that's what I'm saying. Like you gotta know, bro. You have to understand. This is sport. It's supposed to unite us. It's supposed to bring us together. So let us at least, have some logic sometime, and just make rational decisions. I cannot be just because my team lost, I'm gonna be out there waiting for the Sundowns fan to come there. And I'm like, hey, squabble up. Hey,
squabble up, right? Squabble. But see, dog. Another thing, I heard this, I like journalists talking about this now.
Yeah.
Yo, I hate to I'm looking at African because it's not an African thing.
Yeah.
Okay. It's not an African thing. It's a football thing in all over spaces, all over the world. Yeah,
yes.
Just that in South Africa doesn't happen.
Yeah.
And I'm sure in other Southern Africans or whatever African team countries doesn't happen. So this guy, the problem is the fans are Al-Ali fans before Aba Womun, which means mina ngumlandeli we-Pirates before ngiba u-NBN.
Imagine, bro.
So wena
that's insane.
Mawuthi wena i-Pirates wena iyabheda. Ujime kusho uzobhedayo.
Basically you're saying my establishment, my molecules,
hey man,
somebody's going to die today. But hey, that's how crazy it gets.
Yeah, that's how crazy it gets. Even possible coaching ngezinto.
Yo, bro, like face, come on, bro.
Speaking about coach, sadly.
Hey man.
Sadly, Spanish guitar is leaving. Jose Rivero. Hey man, I know you follow like that.
Yeah.
But that guy is a legend, dog. He will forever be a legend. And
he's been coaching the team for how many years now?
Was his third season.
Meaning,
3 years.
3 years.
Yeah.
For the past 3 years, it has been doing good. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie.
We were seeing young players and people coming in on courts and
big shout out to the young stars.
TLB, Osesane. They were introduced by him.
Imagine.
A lot of coaches don't have faith on young players.
On the young players, bro.
So, but he showed faith, and I mean, they were winning him cups because because they lost the CAF. Yeah. So it was awful. And I think they were winning cups with those young players. The fact that Bazabafe semi-final, the last 4, with obviously there were senior members and also like the young players. But Fairwood last 4 of we CAF,
bro.
As a huge achievement. So he left the mark. If it was me, man, it's a harm, because at the end of the day, Paris now has to start over with a new coach. And I'm praying Rulani.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna join you in that fasting and prayer.
Yeah, you have to,
because now I'm moving, towards a Pirates. I'm seeing the steady growth and stuff like that. And progress. Man. I'm slowly moving towards favoring the Pirates. You feel me? So now, if they lose a coach that just got them up to where they are, if they start losing, now I'm gonna have to. You see, now it's finished. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna. Bro.
But I'm saying, man.
I don't like a losing team also.
5 cups in 3 years.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, couldn't win the league. Well, by the time of recording, Sundowns only needs 1 point to win the league. So they won. So that's unfortunate. The league that he couldn't win the league, but one of the cups he was dominating them. As Joey Chiefs mind, he could have been his 6th cup, but he chose to also give another team that was struggling a cup. He chose to, you know what? because I'm leaving my finances in, yeah, but let me not just make Pirates happy, or let me also make the Chiefs happy.
Yeah.
So, hey, man, and also, man, I don't want to sound like a hater, yeah?
Yeah.
But let this Chiefs achievement, it's huge. They won this cup, and in Nedbank Cup, it's not like a taking cup. You know, you have to play a lot of games to win it, yeah, bro.
Yeah.
But let not people start thinking now Chiefs is like the best team in the country. And then
he's now making his statement.
It's true.
Yes, he's making a statement now, like you guys can win, but it doesn't mean also.
Because on the long run, I'm talking about on the long run. Yeah,
to be quite honest, yeah, it's a thing, bro. Chiefs
like,
has been losing,
bro. Like Chiefs will perform well against Sundown and Pirates. Bese bodlala noSikhukhune. Bodlala noSikhukhune vele bebhaqabule.
Bro.
Bodlala noPulukwane City babhaqabule. Ochipha United bathatha ama-point lapha yabo. So that's the thing about Chiefs. It's almost a similar thing with United. I'm a Manchester United fan.
The Red Devils.
And we finally Europa manje, ne? And even if we win it, I will not say, we're back, baby. We still have a long ways to go.
Improvement,
We're 17th as of recording. We're 17th of the league. That's fucking crazy for a team like United. Yeah, bro. But then, ma-tough la yazi anokuvala amehlo akwenze icabanga ukuthi wena
yeah, make you think you're the best.
So dope, bro. So, hey, man. But
sometimes they can win by luck. Horseshoe.
Yeah. But you know what I like about the Paris coach, ne? The coach loved his fans, man. He appreciated his fans, you know. Unlike Scott McPuma.
Bro, that was on my mind, bro. Bro, you see this thing? There's this thing.
I'm joking.
He's definitely joking.
I'm not saying what that
Yes, I said also me. I said it was on my mind, but I was also joking as well. The idea was still on my mind. Yes. In my mind, I was. Yes, you understand me. Yes, my brother. So man, there's this thing, man. I don't know. Like when we talk about things, you already have an idea of what I'm about to say, or some
chemistry.
Know. Yeah, man.
Some podcasters don't have that.
Okay. Yeah. Damn.
No, it's the how.
Damn. And that's true. That is true. Forgive me for using this as a mic. I was just, expressing. But yeah, that is very true.
Yeah, but
man.
Very true. What are your thoughts on Scott McPuma? Okay, wait. Let's put the people in. Spotify.
Yeah.
Well, he had an issue, ne? He's an introvert, ne?
Yeah.
And sometimes he doesn't feel like he owes pictures. Kwabanye. Ukuthi ama-fans akhe mafika kuwe, he doesn't owe anyone. Who say, kumele kushuse nawe ngoba phela.
Yeah. You got to.
You have to. Yeah. And he went on a podcast, LT though.
As well to express. Yeah. To express himself.
And then he was. And Cito was like, yeah, but they made you. He was like, so he was very defensive. I know good type too.
Yeah.
If it's before he was famous, man.
Yeah. I like it. I like how people actually just took a picture of that and it's written there by the subtitles. Like, hey, where did they get the pictures from when I wasn't famous? You see that?
Yeah, man. He was basically saying that. What are your thoughts?
What I'm gonna say is ayivimba yekela ubuvila umzimba uluma izinza
bathini bona
bro uyaphapha man hayi wena man.
Yeah, man.
So to be quite honest, the thing is he's valid from his point, but now the reaction from the fans as well, I mean, for example, I'm just gonna take it from there's this I don't know, a singer vocalist, I don't know if it was Doja Cat, but she lost she lost 250 plus followers on Instagram just because she said she doesn't care for what the fans say or what they think and stuff like that. Okay. So you could, from there, as an artist, I'm an artist myself, I could see, I need all my demographic. I need them all right in yes.
Sir.
But the thing is, you have to account for such things, you know. Them just unfollowing her shows the rage, my brother. So as an artist as well, you have the responsibility to you know, to make sure that you cater to all, my brother, you know. This is it's
entertainment business.
I don't know, bro, how can I say it, but definitely a lot of people learned from this.
Yeah.
I hope a lot of people learned from this as well.
Yeah, I mean, the honest thing, I think a lot of artists share the same sentiments. You know, Scott Mapuma. Yeah. He will never say it on camera.
Yeah.
I feel like he...
Okay, that's very true.
That's I hear from both parties. By the way, I'm not a Scott Mapuma fan. You are.
Oh, Mina, I win, man.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm not really tapped in like that. Yeah. But when I saw the issue, I could understand both parties. I could understand his frustration, and I also could understand the fans' frustration. Yeah. Even though now I feel like it's flown out of proportion. I understand his perspective in the sense of, yes, he's a celebrity, yes, but he's a human being.
Oh, yeah. That is why when I started my point, I said he's valid for what he does.
He's a person.
Yeah, he's a person. Yeah.
So, as I was saying, my brother,
say something.
So yeah, he's also a human being.
Yeah.
He also have emotions. Like, oh man, you're too sensitive, whatever.
Yeah.
You are sensitive for a reason.
Yeah.
Le feeling yokuba sensitive efakwe emzimbeni wakho is there for a reason. Yabo, like ngoba umuntu. Yabo. So yeah, he's a human being. Yabo. And also I understand that part, you know, fans ngobe I feel like he handled it a bit irresponsibly, not professionally. And I also feel like he didn't even understand how much the fans do for him. Because at the end of the day, these are the people that like pay money.
They pay money
to see you.
Yes.
And no money in the posting also.
Straight up.
They pay for merch.
Yeah.
They pay streams. Or Spotify and man to listen to the music, or Apple Music.
We pay those 60 rand.
They pay, and they're using the hard end money to support you. So you kind of also like, because at the end of the day, it's your job.
Yeah.
I
also said that as well.
It's your job.
Yeah.
You are responsible for that. Yes. So ukuthi uboss wakho wena ne angisho sama-friends akho ama-boss akho ne usemsebenzini in the workplace and uboss wakho sometimes like he's too harsh or whatnot.
Yeah.
Uzothi wena, hey mina ngiselanga wena la. Ebethuma bani ngingekho mina. Yabona leyo nto le.
Okay, what an example.
It's leyo nto le ukuthi it's you in the workplace nabo. You have to sometimes not like uthatha ngokudoti owenzekayo kuleyo ndawo ne. But sometimes you have to understand some things are like they're not too deep.
Yeah.
Yabo uthi ama-friends afuna iy'thombe njalo, it's not too deep.
Yeah.
Yabo if ama-friends afike funa uthi hey uyi-celebrity unemali, cela imali. Every time umuntu ufuna imali yabo lapho ke bekuzoba inkinga. But man, it's just a peak, dog. Yabo. Yes, it's tiring. Yabona you phuma mhlambe e-studio noma uphuma performer, you are tired, you're doing shows after shows, and
imagine and bro,
prayed,
I remember Aries was trying to get KFC and bros were there like I'm like and then she's out there like I'm like, yo, bro. So it was crazy.
You can see, yes, it's draining, but also, I mean, these are still your people. So that's the thing, like, so it was Leon the time. You have to understand. Like, the dynamics are and also the fans. I still believe some of them are just like on this hype train of hating.
Oh, as well. They blew it out of proportion. Yes, talk about that, man.
Khona ukuthi okay, hey baba. Ushabe shethu wayesaza ama-fans ngiyibhanga. Uzwe next ukuthi manje ngoba uScott is big, ne?
Yeah.
And just because some people saw it's cool to hate on him.
Yeah.
So they jumped.
They jumped on the wagon, bro.
They jumped on his boy.
And it was so easy beating him because now he's down.
Yeah.
For some people. There's always somebody lurking there and you always have haters. Yeah. You talked about something like an artist or whatever, an organization, a podcast. always have a smaller. Even Mac G when he said that thing about Mini Lamini. That thing was like there's other people who are trying to push this agenda, just push the fact that
even
they
though
have to.
It was fucked up in the
But
people,
well. But there's always people waiting on you like that. Yeah. That's
so
how I feel.
it's weird. Like culture, cancel culture.
The cancel culture.
I hate cancel culture with my on body molecules, atoms in my body. I hate it because I don't understand it. Nah?
Yeah.
Because if we're being honest.
Yeah, talk to me, my brother.
Talent, because you can do that. Talent has nothing to do with immorality.
Oh yeah.
You feel me?
Straight up.
That's why that's why too, you can be the best musician.
Yes.
But a fucked up individual. But your music resonates with the people and none.
Ladies and gentlemen, by the way, let's just clear things up. I'm such a good individual. Speaking directly to my demographic. Don't laugh.
I'm clear.
So I'm a good person. Trust me. I'm a good person. You know? But yeah.
We're humble. Let's do it.
Yeah.
First,
that was real, bro. That was like a person can be a shitty type of person, but then their music is like so good.
Yeah. Because perfect example, dog.
Yes.
R. Kelly.
Oh, bro. His music, bro.
You can never deny his music.
His music, bro.
Yeah, bro.
I'm not gonna lie, bro.
You cannot deny his music is dope.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
As much as an individual, he's a bit problematic, but his music is dope, and that will never change. Uvi debut.
Yes.
Was it funded or was my contributors?
Volkswagen.
Yeah, Volkswagen.
Yes.
The car brand.
The car brand, yes.
It was, I don't know, association but Nazis or Hitler were involved.
Yes.
Are you gonna stop driving the car?
Hey, bro. Yeah. Oh, they were involved in a way. They was established. It. Oh, they funded it.
I'm not sure. Fact check me.
Yeah.
They funded it. Or
and comment if you find something about Volkswagen with Nazis.
Yeah, so the Nazis were heavily involved in Volkswagen.
Oh yeah.
So Paul of Hitler.
Oh yeah.
Are you gonna stop driving Paul Hitler was part of that shit,
bro?
So I want to tell us in moral yomuntu ukuthi kasho yabo it's so that's why ngithi cancel culture sometimes I don't like it yabo cause mfethu ekugcineni the music is still the music.
The music is still the music.
The art is still the art.
The art is still the art.
Angakama actors sizwe ngabo lawo. Actors obona ukuthi a dope.
Yeah, good actor.
Bese uzwe kuthiwe behind the scenes he's such a bastard.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm saying. Some people are now looking at EE as if Scott Mapumangazazi he's also a bad artist.
Yeah.
I fell
Yeah.
Don't lie.
But I believe in learning. I believe in second chances. I believe he learned something from this because he sincerely apologized. I think it was on TikTok as well.
Yeah.
And he made a statement. I just saw it and I reposted it on my piano. On my piano. It's on my story right now on my piano. Holy Seizure page.
Yeah.
On Instagram. He put out a statement, just sincerely apologizing and stuff like that. And in a way, I feel like sometimes we should be, considerate.
Yeah.
We should be considerate
How? Wena kangakubhede abaqolela kini. Uyabheda kangaka abasakufuni kini uyahlupa. Kodwa baqolela.
I know some of you watching they are supering also. I don't want to bring to you guys now. You see, I said I love you guys now. I can't now.
Because he's human. He's a human
as well, fam.
Umuntu afune uphuseni yakhe eqolise eqolelwe. Angeke phela manje useolashayo ngathi hayi Lord asafuni ukuba lutho.
Yes. I'm a man of solutions.
Yeah.
So whatever he did was a good move.
Yeah. Which one?
Solution for apologizing sincerely, apologizing. I'm a person who believes Uguti. There's a lesson learned now.
Yeah.
And other artists as well.
Yeah.
Tread carefully You know, when you speak to a if I'm being engaged by like so many people, maybe famous for that time or specific period of time. If a fan is coming and I'm having a bad day, you know, I think it will be a good thing for me to just make a bro understand, like, bro, accept, bro, I'm having such a bad day, my brother. You know? My car just broke down right now. As you see me standing here, I'm waiting for my manager to pick me up or something, you know, and I'm late for studio, and definitely I'm gonna pay extra now. So I just want you to quickly understand and grasp what I'm just going through right now.
And what's I believe with a conversation
respect,
with a fan
yeah,
is worth more than his time.
Yes, he's gonna, man, bro.
I mean that I took you and we sakhuluma when you're feeling, I don't want even ruin your picture now. Sengimudi lapha nesongini. Yabona manje. I remember Casper took himself note. Exactly. I was like, oh shit, see the boy nigga is so happy to see Casper. Like, Casper is there like,
because imagine you're going through a hard day and so many fans just want to take pictures. So imagine like you're going through such a difficult day and fans just want to take pictures. So you're out there like, you can't even smile. Like, you're going through something, bro. You know? So you're out there like, you know, just because now it's that's a thing, bro. You know, I think people have to learn some, you know, have some communication. It's just learn how to approach things. You know, you understand yourself. I'm now a mainstream artist. I'm now big in South Africa. The way I should move, the way I should tread, because now, you know, there's people. We are emotional. We are. So we are people. So let's give Scott a second chance, guys.
When an show it's like we celebrate, but also like the Wydad Casablanca player, Cassius Mailula from South Africa, both plays in Morocco for Wydad. Wydad. So like in to at time of recording last night, we post umaulidwa kushonisa. Yabo. That's sad.
So condolences.
Bro, condolences, man, to the family. And he may be stronger, man. So you can understand, you see, this guy is in Morocco. He's walking in the streets, dog. Cases! Hey, Cases! Picture, please! Come here, Cases, picture, please! Now you're gonna expect what now? Hey, Cases.
Okay, I'm joking. No.
Okay, this is he's such an arrogant person. Brother is going through a lot.
That is how some of us are just so typical, Makoi. That is just a typical mindset. I don't want to lie, guys. You know, so now you're gonna be they got Twitter fingers, bro. They got everything. Yeah. After you just rejected her or him, out there now on the social media, it's a bomb now. It's finished.
Yeah, born.
You know. So I wish people can also have an understanding of these artists. We're doing a lot. You know, us right now we're doing a lot. You know.
That's true, but that is no. I take scene la panic. So Ansibo. I'm scene. I'm like, chief. Alright, busy.
Even old people as well, bro. You understand? You're like, hey, you are watching 034 Issues podcast, and then you feel like, wow, bro,
so I'm doing something right.
Yeah, man, you feel me?
Let's go to the next one, boy.
Let's do it. Let's do
it. You wanna?
Let me check.
Nah, I've just got my call.
Yeah. Okay. What's bigger? Artist or the podcast?
Context.
Yes, my brother. I was thinking about that. With this question, we have to link it to something so that we can be able to. Man.
Oh, you heard that dab? Perfect dab. It was a perfect dab.
Bro, yeah. Can I link it to the McG type thing? You know, I saw a clip. He was actually like, you know, in Furious. Yes, Furious. Just, you know, saying like, no, we're bigger than Cass. We're bigger than Cass. And stuff like that. You know. In a way, okay, there's someone else as well on the media who talked about this thing of, you know, artists can have their shine, they can have their glory, but podcast will remain.
Yeah, will live forever.
Yeah, will live forever in that kind of way. You know, how do you feel about that?
Personally,
please answer nice. Also, you're wearing glasses now.
Kuya ngokuthi ungubani. Yeah. Okay, like him.
Yeah.
On a long run, like
you on a long run, yes, good start.
You look at this like in South Africa.
Yeah.
I don't sound controversial this thing. Which artist that resides in South Africa that is bigger than Podcast and Chill? That has the reach that Podcast and Chill has. Yeah, boy.
Yes. These are the type of questions I'm expecting from the intellect and the classes and everything. Yes. This is what I was saying. Yeah. I've woken up the demons. Yes. Yes.
So the question what's bigger, and also.
Okay, to be quite honest, MacG is big.
The Podcast and Chill. Podcast and Chill is bigger than artists. And also this thing. We might think the artist is bigger than the podcast. Because the artist is probably popping on this cut.
Yes.
You feel me?
Yeah.
Always say this, boy. I feel so. Also talking about the artist and everyone, but man.
Yes.
We will never book you for Nadla. Yes, that you have to know. That because you also have to understand it's a working relationship,
Yeah.
We put you on our platform and our audience, you hopefully do the same, so you have to understand what's that thing, what's setting on.
Yeah.
It's not, I'm not asking you for your services. Yeah,
oh,
yeah. You're not here to perform. Nah, come on now. We might give you a rider because it's the song, but man, and it's paid payment and stuff.
Yeah.
Because I'm like, dog, some people, yeah. Now, right now, he's like the talk of the town, talk of the country. How we like, yo, man, pull up to the pod.
Yeah.
Alright, what's your budget though? What?
To be quite honest, it's giving bougie in there. It's a very vibe, that one.
After that, your hype dies down.
Wait, what now?
What now? Hey, bro, NPN, you know, I'd love to pull up there, man.
Yes, my brother.
I'd love to pull up.
You see now. But if you didn't burn those bridges, bro, we might have, reconsider.
Yeah.
Yo, that's a very good analogy.
Because at the end of the day, you will not be here all the time.
All the time, man.
Your hype will go down, your stock will go down, obviously will go up. Because we're in the entertainment industry.
Yes.
But when it's here down, then where you feel like you need us now.
Yeah.
Now you don't want to. And for free.
How? Bro.
As if we don't call you when your stock is down. We just point some artists literally think they are bigger than the podcast.
Oh, than the podcast industry as well.
I feel so. It's even worse if Sika project guys. Man, we'd love to have you on the podcast and then you're like, And now, after a while, you're changing. Yo, is that deal still available? Is it on the table? No, brother. It's not on the table, man.
Yeah, bro. It's a thing, man. These egos kind of like clash in people. In general, a lot of us have egos.
You think it's egos? Me ego. There's nothing else.
Bro, there's a lot, man. There's a lot. People just be prideful. I'm seeing myself. I'm doing, huge numbers. You know. Now your ego will get bruised. Now you're not doing so good. Now you wanna come, and now you look like something like a Stashalala. So we that's what we don't want now. You were big and stuff like that, but now we don't want to. You coming now, on DMs and start like, speaking like that, because that's not you, bro.
Yeah.
Remember you but like you're the first class type of person now. You
are not this person that you are.
Hey, and so keep that energy, man. Keep that energy. You know, now you're bowing down, you're trying to like talk to the Ndwanas, you know, in the hood, you know, trying to get some episodes and stuff like that. Bro, yeah, man, but it is what it is, man. But people, I'm just saying, people have to, better this thing. It's not a good thing, guys. But like what I'm saying is just be nice to everybody. You know, be polite, guys. Be polite. You may never know when are you gonna like need me.
Or I need you.
Yeah. Even if my status is now up there, you feel me? Anyway, I have to have it in me. You know, this thing. I'm a human first. You know, take care of one another.
Yeah, like. I would rather have a person tell me what's he. Yeah, well, that's honest, man.
Yeah.
But I would rather have a person reject. Just our food because of podcast.
Oh, yeah.
Then having me jumping hurdles and stuff. Well, in management, I don't have a problem with management.
Yeah. Because some people, they like, okay, can you speak to my manager?
Yeah, I will speak to your manager, no problem. We will speak to him.
No problem.
So we'll speak to the manager. Well, it's no problem. The issue here now is you are telling us when you are too expensive to be there.
Yeah, type thing.
Ngamane sibone ukuthi you are out of our league.
Yeah.
Kodwa kunjalo ke mfethu Khosi Twala sakufuna. Bengisasho ukuthi hayi noma sibona ngathi you are out of our league. Khosi Twala, we still need you to come. We need ubani uZabelo.
Yeah.
Zabelo Shapisa.
Yeah.
Who else can you want it? Abanye angifuni ukubasho because very we
but there's a lot we wanted us.
Yeah, man.
But let's not disclose that.
We are like omjita ongekho or we committed relationships.
Basically.
Yeah.
It's
and ubani umuntu esimbona onezinto ezenzakalayo
right now.
Yeah.
Well,
I thought you reading my mind.
No. I want to. I'm still looking for a way to structure. The thing is, okay, right now, what are we looking for? Yeah, that's such a good question. There's events happening. Let's start talking. Let's just talk about what is currently happening in 034.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, reporting live in the Newcastle #1 podcast. Yes, we have events happening. Around about June. Some are happening in May.
Yeah.
I mean like there's a lot of events happening. You know, there's a movement. You know, people are doing a lot for the 034 entertainment industry. And man, I'm happy. I'm happy. Over to you.
That person that we want,
yes,
is Uboxa.
Yes.
Come on, man.
Yes, number one,
come on, mate.
We have Uboxa. He's hosting an R&B and
soul.
Yeah, R&B and soul.
Yeah,
but I saw some groovish thing there.
Yeah.
He's moving with it, and
it's the second time now.
Yeah, second time I heard of last year as well.
Second time or third, fine.
I don't know. Yeah.
But it's huge events, man.
Yeah, huge events happening at the Majuba College Stadium there. So big shout out to him, and he's been on that.
Yeah, it's like we cannot give him a lot of flowers because we always give him flowers. Like my flowers as well in box, my name, like
bro,
like he cheated alone.
Yeah.
So
big shout out to Boxer.
Big shout out to him, man. Hey, it's Boxer knows pay.
Pay.
Yeah, Boxer knows pay.
Oh yeah, it was paid. I mean, yes, I saw.
So
I saw.
Yeah,
Yeah.
But hey, man, it's a lovely thing that they're doing.
Yeah.
Even if they are doing it selfishly for themselves to shine, they're putting 034 on the map.
Yeah,
boy. Like it's doing a lot for the people.
Yeah,
it's giving people like abanganandaba namapiano and hip hop to go and just listen to soul or R&B.
Yeah.
And it was a huge success last year. Ekubeni ngoba ibuya manje izinayibuye phela mayibhedile akuboni nombandla kule mabhizinisi lawo yabo. So shout out to Boxer, man. Yeah, man.
He's been pushing.
Man, call us, dog.
Yeah,
email us.
Yeah.
For promoter. Come on, man.
Don't be shy
How
on
much
us,
you got?
boxer, bro. Don't be shy on us,
How much you
boxer,
got?
bro.
I'm joking.
Yeah.
So, yeah, man.
Shit,
Shout out to
shit.
Boxer, man.
Big shout out to him. And another one is PG Usonic,
Sonic, yeah.
who's gonna be hosting the Newcastle Winter Festival.
Well, hosting it. Well, you can say.
Yeah, he's hosting.
Yeah, hosting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's
Technically,
Yeah.
event organizing, hosting. Yeah.
Now that he's wearing glasses, he's questioning everything.
Yeah, I have to question these.
Now I have to correct myself, even if there's
definitions.
Ladies and
we speak
gentlemen,
about.
I'm in jail. I'm joking.
Yeah.
But
I want to see the fight.
I should have seen it, but
Bro,
don't do it, man.
Yeah,
I know
man.
we're joking, but yeah, big shout out to PG Sonic. Yeah, a lot is happening there. Artists are gonna be performing as well. We have some main acts as well. I heard Tony Diamond is gonna be there.
Usi My Money.
Usi My Money is gonna be there.
Oh, PC.
Oh, PC. Yes. Yeah, man.
Who else is there?
Who else is there?
Wait, let me
Yeah.
let me
Can you
check,
please check it?
let me check.
Yes, man. There's gonna be a lot happening there, guys. Please let us make these events a success.
Yeah, you can
make
talk
sure you
about
check
the people that are also in. We are from O34.
From O34 as well. We got Obo Socks.
The
Yes.
rapper.
Big shout out to Socks, the rapper. We got Martinez.
Yeah.
Martinez. Big shout out to Martinez, man. We got Cruz.
Yes,
Big shout out to Cruz, bro. You made
That's
it,
homie
bro.
right there.
You made it, bro. Yeah, it's gonna be performing there. Yeah, we have some DJs as well there. They're gonna be there as well.
Nah, but I'm saying about Solile.
Yeah.
Oh, Mr. Jazzy.
Oh, Mr.
Yeah.
Jazzy. Yes.
Yeah. PC, Usmamane, Tony Daimane.
Tony Daimane, yeah.
Then we have them niggas. Martinez, Socks the rapper,
Cruz, yes.
and a lot of homies. Hey man, I feel bad because now I'm phoning Shama Kavanga. That's my I don't rate them niggas.
Yeah.
Because and also my I can try line up
Yeah.
And who's also there?
Oh, 3-4 EU.
Can you sing what man?
Oh, 3-4 Issues is gonna be there. Oh, 3-4 Issues is gonna be there on site, ladies and gents. This is obviously corner on the Newcastle Winter Festival. Yeah. Beware, guys. We're gonna be there.
So I'll see you.
Yeah.
I'll see you there.
Yeah. I'm gonna see my demographic.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see my yes.
So what's a Benz lapha first?
I'm gonna see my special people. Yeah. Big shout out to you.
Man, I'm not a celebrity, but see if someone like shoes, we will not say no.
Yeah, most definitely.
And yes, why corner? Singeko, shoes are banned.
Yeah.
So, man,
yeah, man.
Yeah, we're gonna do some content today.
Yeah, we're gonna be taking some content.
You might see some guys from this lineup.
Yes,
you might.
Yeah,
as Puni Mandi. Yeah,
yeah, we don't want to put it like that.
Yeah, so it's gonna be a mass of it. So come there, man. It's only $90, nah?
Yeah, it's
for adults.
Yeah, for adults it's $90.
It's $90. And if you see, you have to understand the I'm artist when they like my like my events and stuff, nah? Get dura.
Yeah, they charge
a lot of money.
Yeah. I think
so
150 pesos.
Yeah, but 200 pesos. I'm trying to find the price,
yeah.
Oh yeah. The price is 90 rand.
90 rand for
basically for a person between the ages of 14 to 64, right? Yeah. You have entry. Oh, the free. If you are 0 to 3 years, so but first, if you're not 3, it's free for you. Be happy. That one is for you.
Tell him, bro. Tell him.
Yeah. So, million. Baby shark that.
Yeah. So we're talking to that audience who's watching us.
Yeah.
Yes.
If you are 3 years old,
come. Get pants. You can come there for free. Imagine. That's a fun. That's a fun. Something like a man.
Yeah. So
jokes. Yeah.
If you're 14 to 13, 14. 4 to 13. So if una 4 and going to 4 to 13, which is that's 60 rand, and you see obviously 14 to 64, which is a large demographic. Yes. Demographic is 90 rand. And if you are pensioners, but first, if you are pensioners, for you, 65 to 100 and something, whatever, this one for you, 30 rand, please. Come on, 30 rand. You, I know you're watching this. Come on, fill up, man. Just 30 rand, come on, man. So, basically, that's how it is, man.
Yeah.
I really think it's affordable.
Yeah.
Affordable.
I like that.
Yeah, it's for the people too. So even the performers of it's not talking time, is calling down. Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
It's a family gathering type thing.
Yes.
Type of show. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, basically that's it, man.
Yeah,
and I think we should wrap up with something we want to discuss. It's funny that we talked about it, but the people that dropped.
Oh yes, bro.
New music, guys.
Big shout out to the 034 musicians.
Yeah.
I have to say, people are working this year. I'm not gonna lie.
Also, big shout out to 034 Top 100. We're actually
right the playlist. Make sure you go and follow that playlist as well on Spotify.
Yes, sir.
Exclusively 034 music. If anybody's not from 034, just wants to hear the sound from 034, please make sure you go to Spotify and search for the playlist named
034 Top 100.
034 Top 100. Yes, we have a variety of artists in there.
Different sounds.
Different sounds as well.
Different genres.
So you can pick your poison.
Yes, seriously.
I'm also there myself as well.
We also there?
So, we're also there as well. We Chill Note dropped. Please. Yeah, Bleed. Yeah, Bleed. He dropped.
I like Chill Note.
Yeah.
Chill Note is my friend. I like Chill Note. Even though sometimes.
Okay, can we move to the second one? Good drop him. Flows Beats dropped.
Yeah.
As well as as well.
Smamane.
Nope.
Dope Boy Smilo.
Yeah, Dope Boy Smilo dropped as well.
Dope Boy Smilo sihamba kanje.
Yeah.
Sihamba kanje. Kanje yabo.
Yes. And Aim as well.
Aim Lenora, dropping Ocean Trip and another bro dropped from Newcastle. But drop bed.
Betty. The title is Betty, but the way they say it is like Betty. No, bro, I like the creativity, you feel me? Yeah, fucks with that. I heard what they said. So, who are the guys on MBO?
MBO, yes, are they from Danhausen?
Yeah, I think Danhausen.
I'm not sure.
No, I'm not too sure. We're still gonna search. Ladies and gentlemen, if there's something ongavumelana nayo or ovumelana nayo, just for us to confirm, please on the comment section, the floor is open. Please, guys, comment and engage with us. Yeah.
Yes.
So those are the.
That's all. Yeah, and
Ray Ocean didn't drop.
But Ropile is Nkulu Records. But Isal Naila. Sazenzela.
Oh, Sazenzela.
With the Ocean,
there's King
King Tune.
Oh, there's King
and Saints is also there.
Saints perp, shout out.
I'm not leaving anyone else. If I am, I apologize.
Yeah.
We also have Vulnerable. Tusi. You know how much I appreciate
Tusi. We listened to him as well.
And Connie Andy Swar.
Yeah, Dope Beast. Big shout out to Beastie.
The last time we were speaking about music, I was like, drop Beast. Drop the music. And then he dropped. Some people listen to me, man. Some don't, but it's fine.
Yeah, but it's all good.
Ocean SA. There's a lot of oceans in Newcastle, né?
Yo, bro. Yeah. There's a lot of oceans. I've seen that.
It's funny that in Newcastle, I know.
Yeah. Okay, people, they feel for that, ne? They feel for that.
Yeah, so like back to Alisa.
Yeah, they're trying to Keep it up, gents. Keep it up, gents.
Ocean SA dropped Ikasi stance, ne? Stance.
He is.
Part in the best stance. Ocean Trip also dropped a big stepper. Cool. He's a big stepper. And the Rose. no Nayo Ocean SA and Luke Breeze. They dropped a 10-10-10. Tom Yami 10-10-10, I think.
Oh yeah, I saw him on Instagram. That guy. And
10-10-10. Yeah. And the last one is it Pisces or Pieces? Iconic Slash.
Iconic Slasher.
Come on,
there's Crisis Black as well.
Yeah,
Big shout out to Crisis and Ike. Yeah,
man. No, Kwepesh. No, not Kwepesh.
Who's that?
That's another person. Hey, apologies.
So, yeah. No. A lot of people are pushing, guys. I don't want to lie. The work is nice, it's amazing. Yeah, people.
Consistency.
The consistency is there as well. You know, that's what we want. That's what we're looking for. The growth. You feel me? And a good representation.
Yeah.
You know, on the list we have to put on abantu competent people as well.
Yeah,
fair. Yeah, competent people as well. So that even if Tiwani, guys, if someone is looking for talent in 034, quick access to just the Spotify playlist, they can get to hear what we came with.
Yes.
And we fired
over 100 songs in here, man. And are you telling me you're gonna be like there? He has some niggas have nerves.
Yeah.
Hey, 034, there's nothing happening. No people, no music, no what's.
Yes.
Nah,
playlist. We don't like that. We don't like that. Don't talk, man. Don't talk about us like that. Don't.
Yeah.
You don't want to start.
Yeah.
You don't want to start.
Before we end, man.
Yeah, what's up?
There was a person, I guess in Newcastle, we also have our own Facebook page, Newcastle Classified.
Yeah,
someone, I don't know if he's from here, no matter, you know what I mean? And person pulls up like, in Newcastle, there's nothing going on.
Yeah.
Who is from here? What is happening? Lana. Hybo. So many things that are happening in Newcastle.
These are the things esenza thina sikhipha oqelemba and try to facilitate ezinye izinto. It's just that if somebody comes here bafethu azosho kanjalo just disrespect athi nje kwenzakala eNewcastle ngoba nabahlala la uthi yena bro yo. So I don't indulge in that. But I'm just saying no guys, there's a lot happening here. There's events happening here. You just have to be tapped in with us, especially the number one podcast number in Newcastle. Thank you.
Possibly in KZN, but yeah, man, that's from another story. So it's been a nice episode.
Yeah, man. I love it, man.
No pressure yokuze khona vese umuntu olapha kwethu.
Yeah.
Kumele nje feel comfortable with us. Nama questions like I want to see the professional.
Yeah, leading questions say bye mona. Yo.
Esimbuze ngokuthi loyalty or respect in questions. So we are going to
no one is sweating here also. So it's good, man. It's good. I love it. I love the vibe.
Shout out to Fortish.
Big shout out to Fortish.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
He's doing this as if the camera sees him. So shout out to Fortish. Guys, shout out to Records Broken.
Oh, big shout out to the Records Broken as well. We wouldn't be here if it wasn't for the Records Broken movement.
Yeah, man. Shout out to Dior for sponsoring me with me. The glasses Dior.
Oh,
shout out to Dior.
You're putting the shit in the mouth.
Dior.
For real?
I'm joking. It's not Dior.
It's not.
Hey, yay!
It's
not really mine, lah.
Cap.
Shout out to the people that support us, man.
Yeah.
I appreciate them.
Yeah, we
so
appreciate
much.
the love, ladies and gents. It's your boy, not ladies. This time, hey yo, ladies, it's your man, Master CG Platt. You know what it is, and today I got
the big bad Tiger Boy VN.
Yes. Make sure you guys follow us on across all social media platforms. Guys, yes. Get the updates from us.
Yeah.
You know, keep the tabs with us. Be tapped in. 034. We out.
We are. Gang. Gang.